So, hello. Today I wanted to show you, I've shown you before, the German half truck. This is the one that I have been building, the half truck. And if you have watched, you will see that I'm finished. So I just wanted to share some information. I mean, I don't know everything. I'm not a history professor or anything. But this German half truck was used for the German mechanized infantry. And they used it for the entire war. And they built around 16,000 of them. It's quite nice. It's close to 8 tons. And it's almost 6 meters long. That's why the scale I'm building 1 to 10 is like 60 centimeters. Yeah, not so much to say more. The engine is like around 100 horsepower. And the armor is not so big. It's like 6 millimeters to 14. So yeah, but it was a good infantry truck. It could carry it up to like 10 people with quite ease. Nice benches and everything. Machine gun back and a machine gun front. So yeah, that's that. Let's take a look at another one we have gotten here. The Jagdpanzer or Hetzer fixed cannon, could move up and down and left and right, but no turret or anything. It also has a machine gun, the German MG-34. And this one has a cannon, 75 millimeters. It's a 4-man crew and it weighs around 16 tons. And the armor is between, I think it's just less than 10 millimeters and up to 60. The engine was 160, if I can remember correctly. But they only built it between 44 and 45. But this one is a really good one. And they built around 3,000. So it's a really nice anti-tank tank. And this one I also was planning on building, but the next one I will actually build will be the Panzer III. And here I have two. Panzer III was built from Panzer IIIA to, I think it ended up at N or something. The first one had a small cannon, 37 millimeters, and they upgraded it to a 50 millimeters and a long barrel. So the one I will be building is like this one with the long barrel. It's really nice. And this one is one of the latest one. This one has the short barrel. You can see it says N here. So this one is a 75 millimeter. It's the same gun that was on the first Panzer IV. So this one is more a infantry support tank than an anti-tank. And they built overall from 39 to 43. The last Panzer III that was built was sometime during 43. And they built around 6,000, give or take. It weighs 23 tons. And it has double machine guns. Some of them it could, different models have 1 or 2 or more. The armor is between 10 and 60 millimeters. But I think the latest one had like an overall armor that was around 50. So it was really good. It's a nice tank. And like I said, this one is the one that I will be building next, the Panzer III. So yeah, I just wanted to show these, and I will make another one. I have a few more that arrived. That will be a quick preview on them, and then we will make a longer one with some information. So yeah, this one we have built in scale 1 to 10. This one we will build in scale 1 to 10. And after that I was planning on building the Panzer IV in scale 1 to 6. But I changed my mind and I will build another tank first. And I have a friend that is building this one. So yeah, and soon we can test drive the half truck as well. So stay tuned guys. See you later, and girls, and everyone else. Dogs, animals, cats. See you.